Walk like that. Get cute. Walk like that. Get cute. Walk like that. Get cute.
What's up, you all? Welcome back to the Chase Video channel. It's good to have you all. Today I am going to show you my bathroom and I'm going to teach you part 2 of decoration tips. This is Vlogmas day 13, so let's get to it. Alright y'all, so real quick as a disclaimer, it is going to be pretty loud because I have a loud fan in my bathroom and the fan is connected to the lights. They did not separate the switches, so we just got to deal with it. So I'm actually trying to be quick with this video, but let's go ahead and step into it. Alright, so the first thing that you see when you come in here, you see my countertop right here. See the little display. So on the countertop, I have this really nice artificial plant. I got this plant at Burlington's, and I believe it was like $14.99. What I really like about it is just the details in the pot. Also, just like the little rocks. You know, it kind of low-key makes this plant look real, just with all the detail that it has in it. I also have this other plant. This plant here is from 5 and below. I paid $5 for that. These rocks are like gold-plated rocks. I got that somewhere else, but I've had it for a while. Then, you know, I have the soap dish. I have this other toothpaste dish for my brush. This here that smells really, really good. I got it at the Birmingham Civil Rights Museum. This is $5, and all you need is one pump, and it'll take that little stink away. And then over here, this is my soap container, and then my hand sanitizer. And then I also have this big plate charger, which is only $1 at the Dollar Tree. So in terms of decorating, you just want to make sure that everything fits, everything is in sync with each other, right? Pay attention to the details, right? So if you look at this here, this is wrong, and the reason why it's wrong is because you can see the grooves are going sideways, or trying to go sideways instead of parallel, and it really does need to be parallel like that. So you just want to pay attention and make sure that you're paying the detail when you're decorating. All right. Then over here, I have this here rag holder or cloth holder. And so instead of me just putting a regular cloth there, I wanted to continue with the aesthetic. So I have this here blue cloth there. I folded it up, and then I just put a rock cluster right there, a rock, gold-plated rock. So now it's more detailed. Then we have this here, which really helps. I didn't pay for that, you know, this came with the apartment. What's up, y'all? Alright. Then as you come over here, I have this here frame, and then it just has bathroom rules. I forgot where I got this from, but I didn't pay too much for it, maybe about $6. And then I got creative, and I went ahead and I put a basket here from the Dollar Tree, and it just has some stuff in it. Then I got this basket I got this either from Burlington's or Walmart. So I just keep my spray in there. candle, and I also typically have my speaker right here to play music, but it's somewhere else. But I have the scented candle that I'll light every now and then. And then this here, it is what really draws the bathroom in. Is the shower curtain here. So these two shower curtains, I actually got them from Walmart. And what I did was, these two are actual panels that go to your living room or bedroom. This here is actually for the shower. But again, I was trying to be really different, really creative. So what I went ahead and did was, I made little holes and then I just attached them with the regular shower curtain, and so now it has a nice background. And then I took these two ends and I made knots out of them. And then up here you have the toilet trash can, and this here matches perfectly with that. I think I paid $2.99 for that, and this is like maybe $3.99 or $4.99. Then we got our glass scale here. And then finally we have our decorative towels. And notice how I did this here. I folded this in such a way that it creates a design. Notice how the colors match. I got these here from the Dollar Tree, this from Walmart, this here from the Dollar Tree as well. So now I'm just gonna come out and just show you all. And there's nothing spectacular about my bathroom at all, but it's what you make it. And so this is what I've done to make it really stand out. And then I also cut the light off, and we got the ambient lighting going on. Gotta have that ambient lighting. I got this ambient lighting bar for $5 at 5 and below, and it has, different colors. You can't really see it on here because of the camera, but you get the gist of it. So this concludes our video, and I want to thank you all. If this has helped you, please subscribe. Feel free to comment.